Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of BettyRaeJewelry.com. So it is basically an online shopping platform that provides the wide variety of jewelry for women. Whether you want to purchase the rings, whether you want to purchase necklace, or whether you want to purchase bracelets, whether you want to purchase any kind of jewelry, the BettyRaeJewelry.com has got you covered. So they have a really bold claims like they provide the free shipping and easy returns within 30 days, and they have a secure encrypted payments, and there are really good customer reviews being mentioned on their website. As you can see, a bunch of different customer reviews are mentioned, and all of them have provided the 5-star rating with really positive reviews. But we never know if these reviews are actually true or not. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, the pictures being uploaded on this platform are really high quality, and that the products are displayed and marketed as really high quality products. So now let's find out what's actually behind that. As you can see, the Betty Rae Jewelry has claimed that they have a really old platform, which means about 21 years old. And once I tried to search about their domain name, I just got to know that it was only registered in 2025, so which is raises concern about their authenticity, because it's a major red flag there. One of the biggest and bold promise has gone wrong. And another thing you can see, like the Trustpilot website, the Betty Rae Jewelry has 3.9 out of 5 rating, which is based on 6 reviews. So 3.9 is more really a good ratings, but it is only based on 6 reviews, which raises concerns about its authenticity, because they claim that they have all people have purchased a lot of products, that they have millions of sales, but on Trustpilot we can only see 6 reviews. So these 6 reviews could be some of the person who have fakely reviewed about the Betty Rae Jewelry. So in conclusion, I would say you should not buy any item from this product without discussing it with someone who has already bought, like your friend or anyone else. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys want me to review any other product or website, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make reviews of as much products as I can. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.